fucking, you are fucking.
You fucking, you bloody,
You bloody.
fuck you bloody, bastard bitch,
You
fuck you,
bastard,
fuck
you.
you, bloody, fuck you bloody, fucking mother bloody, fuck bitch,
Bitch, you.
bloody.
So the company wanted to keep Frank employed so they could take from his paycheck. Is that right?
Well, that's not how I put it.
How would you put it, Benji? Please take your time.
Vamos con la rata ahí, la colorata. Vamos colorata, vamos con mi rata. Estamos paseando con mi rata.
Voilà qui je suis, me voilà même si mise à nu c'est fini. C'est ma gueule, c'est mon cri,